Proven post on Facebook 2022. Guys, give me the next 10 minutes. I'm just going to show you the results that I had when I used this new tool that I decided to try out. Been looking at it for several months, and to prove to you that this actual software actually works. Stay tuned for the next 10 minutes. Okay guys, before you go into the training, I would like for you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so the next time I do a video, you'll be notified. Also, guys, I got what I think the best program for 2023. It launched in December and it's hitting the internet like wildfire. Guys, you need to get in before it just totally gets saturated. I'm telling you, you need to jump on board now. You won't regret it. Go ahead and do it right now. Okay, my friends, let's go ahead and dive off into the training. This is a little tool that I kind of monitored for several months, watched a ton of videos, thinking, hey, should I purchase this? Yeah, to be honest with you, if you plan on marketing on Facebook, and you actually want to post content that is proven, so you won't waste a lot of time posting stuff that's don't work, this is the best tool. And if there's anything out there that's like this, so be it. This was the most affordable one for me. So if you look through here, you can come through, and if you have pages that are getting a lot of variety, far as, let me say it, a lot of engagement on the post, you can come there and put it in, and you can get the most relevant post, and you can reuse it, kind of fix it up in your own taste and reuse it and get traffic to it. You can use people who have profile that's getting a lot of engagement on their content. You can pull that. You can go to groups that is getting a lot of engagement on their content. So it is an awesome tool to use. Hashtag, you can type in the hashtag to get engagements on engagement content. So let's just show you what I done. First, I went ahead and I done something real simple just to go to the video. So what I did is I wanted to do motivational quotes. So this is what I done. I went to this group here and I just copied it, and I just went to the software, and I wanted to use this to get some content from it. So we're going to go groups, and we're just going to add this baby in here. We're going to add it to the group. Now I'm going to go to the home page, and then I want to go with, we'll go with the minimum 20 likes. You get over 20 likes, you got some pretty decent engagement. So what we're going to do here, how many posts that we're going to do to make this video short, I'm going to do 20. And we're going to watch this thing actually live. So what we're going to do is, just to test the waters, I'm going to go back the past 6 months, and let's just go ahead and fetch. Let's start to fetch this, and let's go and look at the results and see what's going on. And we're going to let this thing populate. I know that is prolonging the video, but I want you to see it, up in front, what is going on. So yeah, look at here, guys. This is done really, really quick. So I'm going to put it in descendant, so you have the highest number for first. So we're just going to look at it just to see which ones that are out there that's pretty good. Looked at that one, and look what it does. Now you look at it. It had over 700 likes, 336 comments, and 79 shares. So this is just quotes, guys. You can find actual content within your niche if you want to, and start posting it. Now make sure when you're posting content within your niche, make sure you have the relevant people that's on your profile. And it's another software that help you have your profile people who following you to have relevancy that you're dealing with. So, but look at here, you can come in and create something around this and change it up to your taste. so you can do this. So let's take a look at another one. Really just showing you how quick you can get this. If you went through and you done this on your own, that will be a lot of strolling that you have to do. Look here, when your best friend is God, you're never alone. Look at the course, 614 likes, 203 comments, and 100 shares. So you can come in, you can use the same thing, change the background, make it seem like it's your own, and just put it out there. So see what your followers are looking at. So let me show you what I done. I found one, and I done this late last night. I did it late last night. So I want to show you my results so far. I just tested it and I just put it in my own way, added a few things to it. Look at it. Now it haven't been 24 hours so far to prove that it works. I've already got 26 likes, 4 comment, and 1 share. So I'm trying to tell you, this proven post software actually works. It is pretty nice. So I really like that. But that's just not all, guys. You can come here and you can get pages. If you have pages that have popular topics that's within your niche, you want to use that and get the content out of it, and you repurpose the content. But let me tell you about doing this so you can make sure you're clear on this. You just can't do it once a week, man. You probably want to add in 2 to 3 posts a day. You want your audience kind of I guess I want to say involved, active, things of that nature. But right now I'm just showing you quotes just to give you a general idea of what this software can do. Let's go to profile. Some people use Facebook profile as their business, and how you do that is, and I have another tool that I'll have a link below along with this video, where you can take your Facebook followers or your friends and you can turn your Facebook profile into a business. So, and I'm just trying to, if you want to use your profile for a business, have just a minimum amount of friends and put the right type of people that is involved with your niche in your profile. Then when you start putting these proven posts across this full profile, they will respond to it better because you're in the same audience that they're in. So that's just the part of it. It's one thing I have learned. If you want to get ready to be successful online, you have to be in with the audience that is involved with the type of business that you want to do. So you can do it always. You can join groups. See, that was a motivational quote group that I got, that I put in here, and we were able to get all these successful posts for it. If you don't have a group, you can use hashtags. You can look at successful hashtags that's actually getting traffic, that you can go ahead and get content to it. So I'm just trying to tell you, the proven post will help you create posts that are already getting traffic from. So you're not posting every day or coming up with posts that you want to go viral, and you don't have a clue what type of information that you wanted to choose to get involved with. I'm just telling you, the proven post system is absolutely fantastic. And like I said, I have learned just in my small mind that in order to be successful online, you need to put yourself in front of the audience that represent what you are involved in. If you put yourself in an audience of people that's not interested in what you're doing, you're not going to get the people that you want. So I'm just telling you, the proven post deal is the ideal content machine. And I think you guys want to try. I'll have a link below so you can take a look at it. Guys, I want you to take care, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the inside.